Built on LHB platform for the first time, the standout features of the Vistadome coaches include bogies with air spring suspension in secondary stage for better ride comfort, large glass windows and glass roof that boast electrically controlled opalescence, transparent roof for the passengers to get a panoramic view of their journey, observatory lounge with larger window at one end, ergonomically designed ritzy reclining seats rotatable up to 180 degrees that makes the passengers to enjoy the mixture of spectacular scenic views along the journey from all directions. Charging socket provided for each passenger below the seat armrest. Entertainment system integrated with digital display screens and speakers for music lovers. Content on demand Wi-Fi facility provided on personal gadgets of passengers. Wider entrance doors for Divyangajan passengers with wheelchairs. Automatic sliding doors at the compartment's entry on both. Of other features include GPS-based public address cum passenger information system. Sunk-in type LED destination board. Stainless steel multi-tier luggage racks outside the passenger area. CCTV system for board surveillance. Aesthetically designed coach interiors and FRP paneling. FRP modular toilets with pressurized flushing system and biotanks. Aspiration type automatic fire detection with alarm system for safe travel. A journey is best measured in terms of memories rather than miles. The all-new Vistadome coaches of ICF assure an unforgettable travel experience which remains in the memory of the passenger for lifetime.